In this video, we will show you how to fit adhesive wind deflectors to your vehicle. We will be fitting a set of EGR wind deflectors, which AutoStyle and Truckman sell for a whole range of vehicles. In the kit, you will find both a front and rear set of wind deflectors. To help you fit, there is also a pack containing instructions and cleaning wipes. Clean the window frames where the wind deflectors will be positioned. You can line up the deflectors to work out fitting locations if needed. It is imperative to allow the cleaning fluid to completely dry before continuing. Remove the backing from the adhesive strips on the first deflector. We are doing the driver's door first. Carefully align the deflector with the door frame. It can be more accurate to stick on one corner first and then the other. Firmly press down on the surface of the deflector to secure the deflector in place. Repeat this process for all other deflectors to complete the fit. For more information, please feel free to contact us and visit our website. Thanks for watching.